everybody. Happy Tuesday. Yesterday seemed like 2 days. You ever have Mondays like that? Well, what's going on? We have 26 days of inventory. Put these on. Always rushing. Anyway, we have 26 days of inventory, and we listed 31 homes yesterday, but we put 47 under contract and we closed 72. So we may be headed down a little bit for the available inventory the rest of this month. We shall see. We're selling 108 homes a day, and that's where we get the 26. If that increases, the 26 will go down. But we do have 1,399 homes that we've sold this month so far. Last year was 1,387. So we're pretty much like we were last year, except for the inventory. We had twice as much inventory last year than we have this year. Yes. And of course, the median price was a lot lower too. Yeah, like 50,000 lower, 60, 50, 40. Let's see. In my estimation, it was 53,000 lower. So that's a lot of jing. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's like a couple hundred a month in a payment. So it goes on. As I remarked the other day, when I take the homes that are under $1 million, I come up with a median price of $400,000. When you add those $1 million homes that are selling faster than I've ever seen them sell, and I've been doing this a long time, they're doing 4 to 4.5 a day. So to me, that impacts the median price. So I took the million plus out of the equation and got 400,000. So I think that's probably more realistic. I'm sure you all out there agree. There's homes out there under 400,000, and we have 618 that are under 400,000, and we listed 8 under 400,000 yesterday. There's 444 available $1 million homes, and we've sold 1,101. We're just about around that corner to where we're going to double what we sold all of last year. So there you go. Again, like I said, my Monday was like 2 days. So I don't know. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. Lots of things going on. Don't have enough properties for the renters. And, you know, and I'm looking at the 130 people that are coming into Las Vegas every day, 45% of them from Las Vegas. And I would imagine, looking at our statistics, a lot of them are moving into apartments, wouldn't you say? I would think, because they're not, there's 108 sales a day. So they're renting and probably buying some. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see how that. I can't wait for applied analysis to come out with those stats, and then we can apply those to what's going on. And I think they're going to, let's see, they usually come out every quarter. So July, August, September. So the end of September, they probably will come out with the third quarter stats sometime in October, because it takes them a while to, once they get all the data on the 30th day of September, it takes them a while to collect it.